Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show Gmail notifications on an Android device. Here I'm using an Infinix Note 30 NFC device, but this step can be applied to all types of Androids. Before going to the tutorial, please click subscribe for more information. Okay, the first step you have to do is, please long press Gmail application on your device. And then here you can select App Info. Okay, after that, in the notification section, make sure that everything is active like this. If the notification position on your Gmail application is like this, and then you can activate it. And then the notification in your Gmail will recover. Well, that's the tutorial on how to overcome Gmail notification not appearing on an Android device.